today we will start our exercise 2.1. Now see the first question. Which of the following expressions are polynomials in one variable and which are not? State reasons for your answer. In this we have to tell which of the polynomials are in one variable and which are not. Now see the first question. 4x square minus 3x plus 7. In this only one variable is there, that is x. So it is polynomial in one variable. Variable is x. Now second one, y square plus root 2. In this also only one variable is there, that is y. So this is also a polynomial in one variable whose variable is y. Now see the third one. 3 root t plus t root 2. Now one thing I want to tell, a polynomial always has the power in whole number, but in this root t means t ki power 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is not the whole number. So this is not a polynomial because the power of t in root t is not a whole number. Now see the fourth one, y plus 2 upon y. In this also this is not a polynomial because power of y in the second term, this 1 by y is equals to y ki power minus 1. So minus 1 is also not a whole number. So this is not a polynomial. Now see the fifth one. X ki power 10 plus y ki power 3 plus t ki power 50. See, this is also not a polynomial in one variable because it has three variables, x, y and t. Now see the second question. Write the coefficients of x square in each of the following. Now see the first part. Now first one, 2 plus x square plus x. In this, what is the coefficient of this x square? It is plus 1. So your answer is plus 1 is the coefficient of x square. Now see the second one. 2 minus x square plus x cube. Again the coefficient of x square is minus 1 here. So your answer is minus 1 is the coefficient of x square. Look, see the fourth part. Root 2x minus 1. In this equation x square is not present. So there is no coefficient of x square. Now see the third question. Give one example each of a binomial of degree 35 and of a monomial of degree 100. Now in class 8th you all have studied about binomial and monomial. In binomial two terms are there and in monomial one term is there. So first one, binomial of degree 35. Degree 35 means the highest power of x should be 35. So its example can be x ki power 35 plus 5. Two terms are there and highest power of x is 35. Now see second one, monomial of degree 100. In monomial only one term is there. So you can write it as 4 into x ki power 100. Or any other also you can write. For example, you can write y ki power 100. This is also correct. Now see the fourth question. Write the degree of each of the following polynomials. Now what is degree? I told you all yesterday that the highest power of the variable is called the degree of the polynomial. Now see the first part of fourth one. First one, 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x. Here the variable is x and highest power of x is 3. So our degree is 3. In second one, 4 minus y square. Variable is y and highest power of variable is 2. So our degree is 2. Third one, 5t minus under root 7. Here variable is t and its highest power is 1. So our degree is 1. Now see the fourth one. 3 In this, variable is not there, so its degree is 0. And it is also a constant polynomial. So yesterday I told you that a constant polynomial has 0 degree. So in this our answer is degree is 0. Now see the fifth one. Classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomials. Now yesterday I have told you that if the highest power of variable is 3, then it will be cubic polynomial, and if the highest power of variable is 2, then it will be quadratic polynomial, and if the highest power of the variable is 1, then it will be linear polynomial. Now look at the first point. First one, x square plus x, highest power is 2, so it is quadratic polynomial. Second one, x minus x cube, in this also the highest power of variable is 3, so this is cubic polynomial. Third one, y plus y square plus 4, in this the highest power is 2, so it is quadratic polynomial. Fourth one, 1 plus x, in this the highest power of x is 1, so it is linear polynomial. Then fifth one, 3t, in this the highest power of t is 1, so it is also linear polynomial. Now sixth one, r square, in this r is variable and the highest power of r is 2, so it is quadratic polynomial. Now seventh one, 7x cube, x is variable and its highest power is 3, so it is cubic polynomial. Thank you everyone. If you like my videos, please like, subscribe and share my channel and stay connected with A1 study classes.